how to connect your Gamesir G7 Pro to your PC. So you'll have three options if you want to do this. You have your Type-C cable option, 2.4G, or Bluetooth. So first of all, if you want to choose either of those, you can use your USB-C or the wireless receiver or the dongle itself. When you get your device, you should have these over here, your dongle and your cable. So for wired mode, which is the USB-C cable, you can just plug that into the controller like so onto the top and to your PC. For wireless mode, which is the dongle, you can plug the Gamesir receiver or the dongle into your PC. Since the G7 Pro does support wired PC connection and receiver connection. So once you have the dongle onto your PC, it should just automatically detect your controller. And if you want the Bluetooth option, you can go ahead and make sure it's also set to Bluetooth. So as mentioned, there was wired. So if you're going for the cable, make sure it's set on wired, which is here switched up to the middle. Bluetooth will be switched to the left, and 2.4G, which is the dongle option, should be switched to the right. And once that's done, just go ahead and wait for Windows to detect it, since Windows should automatically install the controller driver, and once connected, the Xbox indicator should stay solid instead of blinking. You can then test it in a game or Windows settings, so open a game that supports controllers, or just search up a setup USB game controller in Windows to check if the Gamesir G7 Pro is responding. One last thing you can do is to search Gamesir, a Gamesir software from your preferred browser. You can download the Gamesir Connect over here if you want to customize your buttons, triggers, sticks, and those things. And it's also one way you can check if your controller connects to your PC. But those are the steps you're gonna need to do if you want to connect your controller to your PC. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.